Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDT from BingX to a bank account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up our BingX account. And if you haven't done so, you need to verify your account. So if you're not sure how to do that, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check out how to verify your BingX account. And now once you've done that, withdrawing USDT from BingX involves a couple of steps. So the first step, you need to withdraw USDT to a crypto exchange that supports fiat withdrawals like a Binance or Coinbase. And also step number 2 is withdraw the fiat, for example USD, from that exchange to your bank account. Alright, so what we need to do from here, we need to make sure in the home tab, from here we need to click onto assets. And then once we're inside assets, we need to click on the withdraw button here. Before you do that, you need to enable verification, so you can use the Google Authenticator, email or phone. So please enable at least one of these. So I'm going to go ahead and use email for this. And then from here, you need to choose your USDT. Then you need to enter your withdrawal details. So you need to paste your USDT wallet address from your external exchange. That could be anywhere from Binance or Coinbase. Then choose the correct network, TRC20, ERC20 or BEP20. They must match the receiving wallet, and then enter the amount and tap submit. And then you might need to confirm the withdrawal, so you might need to complete any verification steps, so that like your email, SMS, 2FA. And then simply from there, we need to convert the USDT to fiat and withdraw to bank. So depending what you used, if it's Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, etc. So you need to open up that receiving crypto exchange, and then make sure that USDT has arrived into that exchange. And then basically you need to sell your USDT for fiat. So go to trade and sell USDT for your local currency. For example, if you're in America, you're going to do USD. If you're in Europe, you're going to do EUR. If you're in Australia, it's going to be AU. And then you just go to wallet and then withdraw that fiat. Then select your currency and add your bank account details, enter amount and confirm withdrawal. Also, make note there might be some transaction fees may apply, and processing times vary by exchange and bank. And also use TRC20 or BEP20 for lower network fees. And also check if they're supported by your receiving exchange as well.